Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is September 9th, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. So what you're going to see here is that the S&P 500 E-mini futures are trading higher by about 19 and a quarter points to 1985 per contract. This is a pretty sizable move. You also have a nice move in the NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ 100 futures are trading up by about 52 points at the moment to around 43.50 per contract. So nice move this morning again in the markets as they rebound and continue to trade higher. We'll see where this market goes today, but right now all things are holding steady and firm. Yesterday's big rally, markets are just trading above that level again, and we now have a two-day rally on our hand. We'll see if today can close positive. Once again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come over, take a 7-day free trial to our intraday stock chat. You get to trade right with us. We had another great trading day yesterday. All right, let's take a look at some stocks in the news. We have quite a few equities out here. Not a lot of big movers, but a lot of stocks that are definitely in the news. First one I'm going to talk about is PLAY, which is Dave & Buster's. Again, this stock's trading at $41.50. It is a little bit extended and overbought here. I think all traders now want to put their trailer stop loss if you do own this one. So the company came out with earnings, nice little reaction here, closed at $37.36. Now it's trading at $41.50. Again, try your stop loss. This is kind of a new issue. Didn't come out till, I believe, October of 2014, so it's not even a year old yet. But nice little pop here, making a new high. And just try your stop loss because it is overbought. But there's not much we could do with it until we see this stock trade intraday once the opening bell rings. Next one I want to take a look at is TiVo. I did not see the news, but I do believe it is earnings. So keep this one on the radar today. Stock is trading at $9.05, closed at $9.10. I'm just not seeing a lot of strength here. If it could get above say $9.50, then it maybe runs a little bit. But again, be careful with TiVo at this stage of the game. I'm not seeing a whole lot here. Next one up is Men's Warehouse, ticker symbol MW. Not a lot of volume right now. Looks like the stock is trading at $53.50, closed at $56.47. Only level I like for this stock, to be honest, is two spots. One is around $49.85. I think that could be a play there, $49.85, and also around $48.25. So keep both levels on watch. They could be bounce levels. Let's take a look at McDonald's. I think they came out with same-store sales. Stock is trading at around $97.30. Good little pop, closed at $96.78. So McDonald's is showing early strength. I don't really see anything terrible with the equity, although when you get to about $100, $100.75, there should be a lot of resistance up there. So I'm not sure the stock will make it there, but either way. China stocks are doing much better today. Alibaba, which was hit yesterday on a warning, is bouncing back a little bit today. Stock is trading at $62.32, closed at $60.91. So we'll see if that stock can regain some upside momentum. At least it is in the morning. I'm not sure it will hold out throughout the rest of the day, so we'll keep that on the radar. But you do have a lot of Chinese equities that are rebounding a little bit today, so we'll keep that on the radar. Another one I'm seeing that is trading higher is Sohu. I don't know the volume situation here. And you can see that stock's trading up here, but there's not a lot of volume behind it, so be careful with that. All right, let's take a look at our next one, Barnes & Nobles. BKS is the ticker symbol, books. And you can see the stock's trading at $16.33, closed at $16.30. No real activity here. It looks like they did come out with reaffirmed guidance or come out with earnings. You can check out the news for yourself, but that will be in play today. All right, let's take a look here next up at Apple. Apple is going to have a big investor conference or something along those lines. So again, I believe they're going to introduce some new iPhones and maybe a new iPad. That should start around 10 o'clock in the morning. So after the first half hour, Apple right now is trading at $113.74. Good little pop into the event. A lot of times, though, once the event starts, the stock does fade. So be aware of that. Be a little bit careful. I'm not sure that will happen, but it can, and it has happened in the past. Let's take a look at Tyson Foods. Looks like they came out and reaffirmed guidance. Right now, I'm showing a ton of resistance around 43.60, 43.70. So keep that on the radar. It is getting a little long in the tooth here on the daily chart, but that's what I'm seeing. Let's take a look at CONN, which is Con. Right now the stock is trading at 31.90. Good little pop here, closed at 29.94. So we're going to give this a little bit of an upside bias, but again, there's still a lot of resistance in these areas here around $32, $33. So just be aware of that. But nice little move here for Con. Now there are a lot of other stocks out here today that are moving. They're just not big movers today. But so we'll have to see how this all plays out. One stock that should be on everybody's radar is LNG. It looks like famed short seller Jim Chanos came out and said that he is short this equity. Stock closed at 56.75 yesterday. It is now trading at 54.50 right now. So again, Cheniere could come under pressure. Also, anything in that business or the natural gas business could also come under pressure on that news. So let's see how it plays out today. It could be an interesting day. Right now, though, futures are soaring up 21.5 points. Gold is down $3.90 to $1,117 an ounce. Oil is down 34 cents to $45.60 an ounce. So with that said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. Once again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat at InTheMoneyStocks, and you will see everything that we're doing each and every day. We've had a stellar day trading record going back really throughout all of 2015. So come on over, trade right alongside of us so you'll see everything that we're doing. All right, with that being said, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.